Fall-like temperatures are finally moving back into the area. Thank you for tuning in to NewsLink Indiana Weather. I am weather forecaster Chris Guevara, and we have been seeing sunny skies for most of the day today. We had a cloudy start, but eventually the clouds started moving out of the area. We're still seeing just a few lingering clouds, but overall we're seeing mostly sunny skies. Now, if you remember from yesterday, not only did we have record-breaking temperatures, but we also saw gusty winds, rainfall last night, and then the temperature started dropping also last night as well. This was due to this cold front that just started pushing off to the east right now, but this went into our area last night. Now for today, we are sitting around this dominant high-pressure system just off into St. Louis, Missouri area. That's bringing all our sunny conditions that we're seeing for most of the day. Now, difference in temperature. Yesterday, record-breaking. Today, much cooler. Look at some of these temperature differences from yesterday to today and even the last 24 hours. 30 degrees here in Muncie, 37 up in Kokomo, 36-degree temperature difference in Lafayette. Now, we can also not just only play with just the cold front that moved through, but also the jet stream that kind of gave us this cooler weather. The jet stream is a river of air that separates warm and cold air masses, and we can use it to kind of determine where this type of cooler or warmer weather will start moving through. As we can see all the way up to Idaho, Montana area, they're seeing this dip, or also known as a trough, in the jet stream, and this is bringing a lot more of that cooler air from the north. Eventually, this jet stream is going to start pushing its way eastward. We're not directly in the dip of that trough, but we are still seeing those fall-like temperatures. So we're looking right here. Currently, we're sitting at 47 degrees, winds coming out of the west-northwest at 13 miles per hour. And that's going to be pretty much what we're sitting at right now, especially for most of central Indiana. We're sitting around those mid to upper 40s, 47 in Indianapolis, 47 down in Terre Haute, as well as 53 degrees down for you folks in Bloomington. Now, taking a little shift, we did have some rain move through the area last night, but it's nothing like what the south is feeling right now, especially the west coast of Florida. Florida is currently dealing with Tropical Storm Eta. Eventually could get up to a Category 1 strength hurricane, but it will be a very weak one before it starts weakening back down into tropical storm status. We can definitely see around areas Tampa, St. Petersburg, Clearwater, Florida, those west coast, localized flooding, heavy rainfall still associated. It is expected to slowly start making its way by Thursday into the area, into close to the Florida Panhandle before it starts making landfall. Now, we do not have to worry about all that rain, but we do have to worry about those colder temperatures for tonight. Looking dipping down below freezing, 31 degrees, but it will be a clear night. Now, we will start off tomorrow still on the chilly side. Make sure you guys have a jacket or even a sweatshirt. As we start off 8 a.m., 34 degrees, but then we slowly start raising back up into the lower 50s, but we'll even get a little bit warmer into those mid-50s by tomorrow. Now, if you guys do love sun and you guys don't really like a whole lot of clouds in the area, well, looking at Precision Cast, we are sitting just a few clouds in the area, then nothing. Dry, sunny skies over the next couple days, and this is going to be persistent throughout the rest of the work week, and we're going to see this reflect on the MIT's 7-day forecast, as we're kind of looking right here, still mostly sunny conditions for today, but then clear out for the rest of the work week. Then by Saturday, we can see possibly a few snow showers during the early morning hours, but then we eventually just lead up to cloudy skies. Look at that temperature by Sunday. We take a little peek up into the lower 60s, but then we eventually start clearing back out by the start of next week, and temperatures dip back down into the upper 40s. If you guys have any more questions, please follow us on NOI Weather on Twitter.